Welcome to our video blog. Today we'll be using Ansible and Ansible Tower to configure a network. We'll run the demo first, then take a look at the details. So we've got some virtual devices set up in the background to simulate a switch fabric kind of network. And in Ansible Tower we have some jobs set up, a compliance job. This will render configurations from templates, then compare them with what's actually running on the switch. And the reconcile job does the same and then fixes the configurations and applies the diffs. So we'll run the compliance job first of all. And it's pulling the Ansible files from a repository. So here we go, it's rendered 5 switch configurations. They're a mixture of Arista and Cisco, as you can tell from the names. We collect the actual switch configurations and compare them. And an empty diff file means that it's all okay. This one looks like it's missing its ISPF configuration. So we can look on the actual device itself. So the EOS router. Yeah, no ISPF configuration. Let's run the reconcile job, and this will do the same thing as the previous job. It will render configurations, compare with what's running, but this time the diffs will be applied so that it will bring the configurations back into compliance. So EOS 01's changed. And ISPF configurations been restored here. Yep, so we've got ISPF commands back in. Look at the Ansible files that we've used to build this. The inventory file describes the devices themselves. We've got 2 EOS switches, EOS 1 and 2, which have been used as spines, and then 3 Nexus switches, IOS XE01 and 2 and NX OS01, which we saw here. Templates, so the configurations are built from Ginger templates. So a spine template, for example, this is the Arista template, so it looks very similar to the configuration but with some variables in there substituted. And then the variables themselves, so the key variables are in host files, so there's 1 per switch. So host name, this is a spine, so it's got 5 links, and then loopback addresses, management addresses defined there. To make the playbooks slightly simpler, we've written a small module here which is a wrapper for Napalm essentially. So we use this so that we can have less parameters in the playbooks and make the playbooks look simpler and more consistent. And there are two playbooks for compliance and reconcile. So compliance here. There's the render task at the top. Here we call our module, and in check mode means that we're not going to apply configs. And we pass the result to, we write a compliance report to file. In real life we could probably send it as an email or attach it to a change control, something like that. And then you just print the diffs. Then the reconcile one looks very similar. So here we just render and then configure no check mode, so it actually applies the configuration. In a live environment, you'd want to integrate change management and maybe some pre and post checks, that kind of thing. But what this essentially shows is you now have your network configuration under version control in a repository. So you've got all the version history. If you want to make a change to your network, you can change it by changing the templates or the variables and running an Ansible job to give you your diffs and apply the configuration. So if you have any questions, please contact us, and please check out our blog from time to time. We're always adding new items there, and thank you for watching.